Hello students, welcome to Shorapsa's classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving a question from Msqe Isi, that is ISI entrance exam for economics. So first I'll read out the question. In this question it is given, consider a consumer who can consume either A and B. So it is given, consider a consumer who can consume either A and B with the quantities being denoted by small a and small b. So a consumer can consume either A and B with the quantities denoted by small a and small b respectively. Now if the utility function of the consumer is given by this, so the utility function of the consumer is given by minus 10 minus a square plus 10 minus b whole square. So if this is the utility function given, so now suppose the prices of both goods are equal to 1. So prices are given by Px and Py is given by equals to 1. So now we have to solve the optimum consumption of consumer when his income is 40. So we have to solve the optimum consumption of the consumer when his income is 40. And there is another part which says what happens to optimum consumption when his income goes down by 10, that is decreases by 10 unit, that is it becomes 30. So we'll do these two questions now. So first of all, here the utility maximization problem will be what? Here the utility maximization problem will be given by max a comma b minus 10 minus a whole square plus 10 minus b whole square bracket closed, which is subject to a plus b less than equals to 40, a greater than equals to 0 and b greater than equals to 0. So we have this, that is maximization of this. If you go back to the question again, you know in the question it was given the utility function is given as this. So we have written the utility function subject to, we know the income is 40. So we can simply write a plus b. A is nothing but x here, a commodity A, into PA, which is given as 1. So we haven't written 1 here. So it is basically A into 1 plus B into quantity into price, which is 1, equals to the total money income, which is 40. So this is the budget line equation. So now we have simply put it here. So now we'll go to that area. Now here what we can do is, since the prices are equal, we can just compare the marginal utilities and solve for the equilibrium. So we know prices are equal. So what we can do is we can simply compare the marginal utility and solve it. So the marginal utility of A will be what? Mu A will be equals to, so marginal utility of this will be equals to, now if you simply solve it, then from here you will get 2A minus 2A, and from here you will get 10 and 10. So you will basically get 20 minus 2A from here, and from mu B you will get 20 minus 2b small b. So now what we can do is, we have found all this. Now we have to equate the marginal utility to be 0. So we have to do what? We have to equate the marginal utility to be equals to 0. So how do we get it? For this we know mu A equals to 0 and mu B equals to 0, which basically says 20 minus 2a equals to 0 and 20 minus 2b equals to 0. So now if you further solve it, you will get the value of a to be equals to 10 and b to be equals to 10. So we have found the value of a and b quantity to be equals to 10 and 10. So since the bundles also satisfy our budget constraint, this is the equilibrium bundle. So we have found the equilibrium bundle. Now in the next section it is given the income has fallen by how much. The income has got down by 10. So it has gone down by 10. So from 40 now it has become 30. So we'll simply do another one here on the right hand side. So by doing this, we know the maximization condition will be same, but a plus b, sorry, it will be 10 only. I have made a mistake. In the question it was given the income falls by, so income becomes 10. So in the question it was given the income now becomes equals to 10 from 40. So now if it will be, instead of this, it will be subject to a plus b less than 10 equals to 10. Now similarly the mu b, which was this, and mu b, which was this, it will remain same. So we know mu a will remain same because the utility function hasn't changed. But in this case the bliss point, which is 10 10, which will denote by 0 0, this is known as bliss point, is not affordable since mu a is greater than 0 for all a is less than 10. So for all a is less than 10, so as you know, if it is 10, then it will be 20 into 10, 20, so mu a will become 0. But mu a will only be positive, that is mu a only be greater than 0 when this is less than 10. So this is not possible. So for this what we will do is we'll simply solve this to, that is we'll equate this to 20 minus 2a equals to 20 minus 2b. So from here we'll get a equals to b. And on the other hand we know a plus b equals to 10. We also know a plus b equals to 10. So from here we can find the value of a to b equals to 5 and b to b equals to 5. So when the income has become 10 from 40, we have found the bliss point to be 5 and 5. So I hope you guys have understood this question. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showdopsersclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.